Hey everybody, this is Chadley again with Metalworks. Since you saw the 55 last, it's been shot in epoxy. Now it's over in the fab shop. The guys have removed the trunk floor in preparation for the IRS version of the Art Morrison chassis it'll be sat on, as well as new mini tubs. Daniel's in there working right now on removing the last few pieces of structure. This will allow for the factory wheel tubs to come out and allow us to install the larger mini tubs. There you can see the removed factory trunk floor. All that factory structure will get welded back into the car when the mini tubs are put in. You can see they're working on the passenger side. The driver's side tub has been removed. Daniel doing the last few cuts on the passenger side to get that factory tub to be removed. Keep checking back on YouTube. We'll keep giving you guys updates on the 55s coming along. Thanks for checking in, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.